It's possible to start a burglar deterrent sound automatically when your smart security camera detects motion by using Alexa routines. In this example, I'll show you how to start barking dog sounds when someone walks by your camera. First, make sure to use the sound at least once in the burglar deterrent skill, so that you can use your preferred settings for that sound. Okay, to do this, say Alexa, open burglar deterrent. Then choose a sound, and configure the options when prompted. Now you are ready to set up your routine. This is a way of telling Alexa to do something automatically without having to say the command. To set up a routine, open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone. In the app, the first step is to press on the More icon, which is found at the bottom right. This brings up extra options. Now, choose Routines to get started setting up your schedule. We need to add a new routine, so just press on the plus icon found in the top right corner. Now, press the plus icon, located next to enter routine name, so we can give your new routine a memorable name. Type in a descriptive name, for example, barking dog front camera. Then press next located at the top right. Now we need to tell the routine when to start. So, press the plus icon located next to, when this happens. We are now going to choose a smart home device which will activate the sound. Press Smart Home, and then choose your smart camera from the device list which appears. Now we need to trigger the sounds from the camera. So choose when motion is detected, and press Next. You can set this to run anytime, or can choose a specific days and times the sounds should play if motion is detected. Pressing Change Next to Any Time brings up this screen. In this example, we will choose that this sound should play any day between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. if motion is detected. Press Next to continue. Now we need to tell Alexa what should happen when motion is detected. So now you should press the plus icon located next to Add Action. There are several types of action available. We want to use a customized action, which will tell Burglar Deterrent to play our chosen sound. So, press Customize to continue. Now you can type instructions in this box. Type in, Ask Burglar Deterrent for barking dog sounds. You can replace barking dog with another sound if you prefer, such as living room, garage, or kitchen. Just make sure that you have used the sound at least once in the burglar deterrent skill. Once you have written your instructions, press Next to continue. Finally, you need to choose which device should play the sound. Press Choose Device, and then select your Alexa device from the list. Once you've done that, press Save located at the top right. Great, you've now created a routine, which will play sounds when motion is detected by your camera. Now, you can either choose to leave the sounds playing until you return home and say, Alexa, stop. Or, you can set up another routine to stop the sounds after a given time. To set up a routine to stop sounds, just create an additional routine as you did before, however this time after selecting your camera, choose when motion is not detected, and select after how many minutes you want the sounds to stop. When you reach the Add Action step, you want to choose Device Settings this time. This lets you set the device's volume or stop whatever is playing. From here you now have the option to choose Stop Audio. Choose this, and then, select your Alexa device from the list which appears. In our example, the barking dog sounds, which started after motion was detected from our other routine, will now stop after 30 minutes if no motion is detected. You can set up as many routines as you need to start and stop burglar deterrent sounds whilst you are away, so give it a try. You are now ready to use the powerful combination of burglar deterrent and Alexa routines to protect your home.